Good everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix if your Windows 11 nightlight is not turning off in your Windows machine. Windows nightlight is a built-in feature that changes your screen color to a warmer yellower tone. By reducing harsh blue light, it helps prevent digital eye strain in dark environments and make it easier to fall asleep after using your computer. Now, there might be an instance where you're not able to turn off the Windows nightlight or it doesn't turn off automatically. So in this video, I'm going to talk about effective fixes which will fix the problem. Now, the first step to resolve this issue is to go ahead and disable the nightlight schedule. Sometimes a corrupted schedule keeps the feature perpetually activated. To do this, you will have to open the settings by doing a right click on the start button and then clicking on settings. Once you're on these settings, you will have to click on the system, and then on the right hand side, you will have to click on the display option. Under display, you will have to click on night light. Under night light, make sure your schedule is turned off in case if you have the schedule turned on. Use this button to turn off the schedule. Turn it on and make sure you go ahead and reschedule the night light setting. Once this is done, you may restart your computer. You may go ahead and check if you're able to turn off the night light or the night light gets turned off automatically. In case if it works, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. Now, the next step to resolve this issue is to go ahead and reset your graphic driver. A glitch in your GPU driver is the most common reason the screen stays tinted orange. Now, to restart or to update your graphic driver, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on the device manager. Once you're on the device manager, you will have to go ahead and expand display adapters. Now here you will have to go ahead and choose your display adapter. There could be more than one depending on the computer. In my case, I have NVIDIA, which is an external or a graphic driver, and the Intel is the internal one. So I will have to go ahead and update both of these display adapters by doing a right click and then click on update driver and then choose the option search automatically for the drivers and then click on close. Repeat the same step for your alternative drivers as well. So you can do a right click, update driver, search automatically for the drivers and then click on close. Once this is done, you may close this window, restart your computer and then check if your issue has been resolved. In case if your issue has been resolved, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. Now, the next step to resolve this issue is to go ahead and reset the night light in the registry. If the UI toggle is completely broken, you can reset the night light cache via registry editor. To do this, you will have to open the registry editor by doing a right click on the start button and then click on run. In the run window, you will have to go ahead and type regedit and then click on OK. In case if you see a user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen. Now, before you make any registry changes, please make sure you follow the steps correctly. In case if you make incorrect changes in your registry, there are chances that your computer may not function properly. So once you're on this registry key, you will have to collapse the registry key so that it is in this structure. Now here you will have to go ahead and expand H key current user by clicking on this triangle and then expand or look for software. So click on software and then click on the triangle. Under software, you will have to look for Microsoft. It would be in alphabetical order. Expand Microsoft. Under Microsoft, locate for Windows, expand Windows. Under Windows, you will have to look for current version, expand current version. Under current version, you will have to look for Cloud Store, expand Cloud Store. Under Cloud Store, look for Store, expand Store, and then look for default account. Under default account, you will have to look for current and expand current. Under this, you will have to go ahead and delete two of these entries, which says default Windows data blue light reduction. Now, these are the registry key associated with your nightlight. So once you locate the blue light data reduction, I will also mention this registry key in the video description. You can follow the path and check if you're deleting the right key. So all you have to do is you will have to do a right click and then click on delete. And then the next key what you will have to delete is data.bluelight.reduction.settings. Do a right click and then click on delete. Once this is done, you may close this window, restart your computer and Windows will rebuild these keys with default values. Once this is done, once your computer restarts, you may check if your Windows light is turned off as per the schedule or it turns automatically. So this should fix the problem. In spite of trying all this step, if you're still facing a problem, the next step what you could try is you can troubleshoot using color management. If the orange tint persists, it may be caused by a corrupt display color profile or HDR conflict. To do this, you will have to open the services window. So you can do a right click on the start button and then click on run. In the run window, you may go ahead and type services.msc and then click on OK. This should open the services window. In the services window, you will have to look for color management. It would be in alphabetical order. Once you locate color management here, all you have to do is you will have to do a select the color management and then click on restart. Once you restart, close this window, restart your computer and then check if your issue has been resolved. So all these steps should definitely fix the problem. In spite of trying all this step, if you're still facing a problem, I would suggest you to leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with the possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.